Hello, guys. Good day. Um, my name is Mela Klodake. If you've seen my other videos, you already know what my name is. I'm a lawyer. Uh, Part of my practice interests include human rights, and today's video falls under the category of human rights. A friend of mine asked a question. That's the reason why I'm actually making this video. It has to do with the recent discontinuation of the trial of Omoyele Sowore, who is a very famous Nigerian activist and the publisher of Sahara Reporters. He was put on trial by the Buhari administration, and the Attorney General at that time, the Attorney General of the Federation at that time, was none other than Mr. Malami. Now we have Bola Tinubu in office as the president, and the news reaching us is that the office of the Attorney General has chosen to discontinue the trial. Now, a friend of mine asked me what the implications are. Does that mean that Omoyele Sowore is a free man? Well, I'm just going to go straight to it. No fillers, okay? Now, in law, in criminal law especially, we have something called a noli prosequi. A noli prosequi, okay? A noli prosequi is a Latin term anyways, but it basically means that the AG has the power to discontinue a trial, a criminal trial, at any stage of the process before judgment is given. Before judgment, okay? The AG's power to use the noli prosequi is absolutely discretionary, and he doesn't have to explain his reasons for entering a nollie, not even to the court. Okay. However, the problem with the nollie prosequi is that the accused has not been acquitted by the courts. So this means that at some later date, the state or the AG representing the state could still choose to prosecute that matter. Okay, so is Sowore a free man technically? Not exactly, because the AG can choose to reopen the trial. But for now, the trial has been discontinued, and I hope that answers the question. For me personally, I believe that the Buhari administration used these Gestapo-esque tactics to quieten the opposition. I don't see the Tinubu administration in that light as at this time, but it is usually best to be cautious with people in power by not vouching for them, because power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. You never know how oppressive an administration can get until they actually start to show their colors. So for now, I can't say if this is going to be used as a tool or to silence Sowore, or as something to hang over his head so that he doesn't bother this administration. But legally speaking, it's a nolli prosequi. The Attorney General is well within his rights to discontinue the process, to discontinue the trial, but he could revisit it at a later date. He could reopen the case, set up a fresh prosecution against Sowore at a later date at his discretion. So that basically answers that question, I hope. Thank you so much for your time. I am Mela Klodake, a lawyer based in Nigeria. I hope you learned something. Do well to like the video, do well to subscribe to the channel, and to click on the notification bell so that you can receive notifications when new videos have been uploaded. Thank you so much once again, and enjoy the rest of your day.